In this episode of the 2-minute drill, I'm going to talk about the key component about a continuous improvement system that is often confused as being the only component of the system. Stay tuned for more information. I often come to companies where they talk about the continuous improvement system and they say it's nice to have a toolbox that we can choose from when we need to. So continuous improvement for them is the ability to choose from a set toolbox. I would argue that that is not the case at all. A continuous improvement system is much bigger than the tools. However, they are an important part of the system. If you're listening to my 2-minute drills, you can hear more about the system in many different angles and scenarios. But let me talk about method and tools and the importance of them. So why do you need them? Because some people feel that I'm already working in a way where I solve problems in a very effective way. I don't feel I really need the tools. And of course there are people who actually develop them. That happens, right? You meet people who are very intelligent, very forthcoming about things. They realize how things should work together and they develop it. So like the PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act approach was developed once. But the reason why you need methods and tools, that has to do more with how do you train people. So let's say that you're a person who is very skilled and you know how to act around continuous improvement and problem solving. But how do you train other people to do what you can do? Well, the easiest way of doing that is instead of them trying to copy you as a person, you train them in methods and tools that guide their thought process so they can solve problems. It's important to have them. It's important that people understand them. And the deeper the knowledge is, so you can transfer it to other people, the stronger the organization will become. It's not the only part of it, but it's a very vital part. So pay attention to and understand method and tool is key for every system, even though it's not the only thing. Like and share this, and send me an email, and we can talk more about questions you have around this subject and if I maybe can help you in any way. Thank you for listening.